morning and good afternoon, good evening and good night depending on where you're watching me from. My name is Emmanuel Etim, and for those of you that knows me, I'm a medical laboratory scientist, and I'm a researcher, I'm a teacher, and also a businessman. I'm into so many things. I'm into fat catfish farming, and also recently I'm keeping turkey for sale, and we have sold some of them, and just these few remaining. And I come to be I came to fall in love with turkey birds. The reason is because I discovered that these turkey birds have a unique social character. They have a unique social character that is different from other birds. What do I mean? What we have here is mostly this the bronze species, the bronze breed, as well as the Narragansett breed. But I discovered that the bronze breed and the Narragansett breed is they have a more social life, a unique social life than the bronze species. The reason is this: I think the especially the adult males of the Narragansett species are mostly lover boys. They spend more time with the females than the bronze species. We brought one of the toms, the adult male of the Narragansett species here, and is already with the male for now. Then we discovered that he's spending more time with the female that he choose. He decided in the night he will sleep with the where the females is sleeping, and surprisingly to me, when it was time for the female to lay eggs, the female lay like 15 eggs, and the female lay like 15 eggs, and when it was time for the female to sit on the egg, that is to do a natural incubation process for the egg to hatch, I discovered that the Narragansett breed of the male also went and was sitting down with the female on the egg, depriving himself of food, of every activities, sitting with the egg. And if you can see closely, they are together with the egg. You can look at it. They are together. Don't make noise. You can see them. Yeah, two of them are together with the eggs. So the other difference that I also observed is that the Narragansett male survives more. They survive more because we had the bronze male and the Narragansett male, the breed. Both of them were sick. We gave them drugs, we did a lot of things. Before we know it, the bronze could not make it, could not survive, he died. While the Narragansett was able to survive after a lot of battling with injection, with drugs and every other thing. So I just discovered that the Narragansett species have a unique social character compared to the bronze. And for those of us that are keeping these birds, I want you to know that if you allow them, especially those ones that are multiplying through the natural process without artificial human reproductive process, if you allow them to reproduce or to exhibit some natural environment, you will discover that they have unique social characteristics. My name remains Emmanuel Etim. God bless you.